Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome also guys. Today guys, I'm gonna make a side dish for my Christmas supper. And it's potato salad. Guys, I have my potato, I peeled my potato already over here. And I have the yellow potatoes. I have my mayonnaise over here. I'm gonna put some olives. I have some seasoned rice over here and black pepper, and I have 4 eggs here guys. My pot is on the stove already. As you can see, it's gonna be boiling soon. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna cut my potatoes, so stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna drain the water of my potatoes and I'm gonna cut them up. Maybe I should just cut it like this. So okay guys, I'm gonna cut it in 2. Then I cut the half in 2 again. And I'm gonna go like this. 1, 2. So that's it. I'm gonna cut it like this. I don't want them too small, and I don't want them too big. One, two. This can't cut it again. This is perfect. So okay guys, so that's, I'm gonna cut this one in 3 pieces. Another half again, and then we cut it in 2, and then we do 1, 2. And I'm gonna put some mixed vegetables in there guys, just to give it some color, let it look bright and nice. The color of the season. You know, it's Christmas, so you have a lot of red and green and white. So I have the last potato now, guys. So okay guys, so I'm gonna add my potato to my pot of water. Everything in the pot, and this is cold water. I'm starting it in a cold water so it can cook evenly. Okay guys, so it's maybe an inch over my potato, the water. So I'm going to turn on my stove on high. I'm going to put it on high. And in my other pot over here, I'm going to cook my vegetable. I'm going to turn on that stove also. I'm going to cook my vegetables over there guys. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. So okay guys, so my potato is finished cooking. I just turned off the stove. Yeah, it's cooked. So I'm just gonna drain them and let them cool down maybe for half an hour, and then I'm gonna mix it up step by step with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna strain it off and let it cool down. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna make my sauce for my potato salad. I'm gonna eyeball a cup of mayonnaise. Yeah, maybe a cup here. A cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna put some flavor rice. Just a little bit. Maybe a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna get my salt. A dash of salt, not too much. Mix everything together. I'm just gonna put my olive in what I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna put it in this. My sister don't love olives, so I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, just a little dash. So this is my sauce. And if it's not enough, I could add more mayonnaise, guys. If you add it, you can add more mayonnaise if you want. So I'm gonna leave this aside. That's my sauce. And this is my bowl I'm gonna mix it up into. So my eggs are in the fire cooking. And I have my potato cooling down in the sink. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Okay guys, so I have my eggs in some water bath here guys. Oh, they can strip now. Yeah, they're nice. When you wet the eggs, they are so easy to come off. Okay guys, I've finished stripping all my eggs. Okay guys, I'm gonna dry my eggs and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna shred my eggs. I don't want them too big in the salad. Let's do it nicely. I'm gonna leave one for the decoration, guys. Okay, guys, so that's it. So I'm gonna be mixing up my eggs with my mayonnaise. I still have one egg for my decoration, guys. So okay, that's good, guys. Rinse my hands. Okay guys, I'm gonna slice my egg for my decoration. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave that and I'm gonna go mix up my potato salad now. I'm gonna get everything together in my bowl. So I'm gonna add my mixed vegetables. That's it. I'm gonna add some of the sauce. Add all the sauce. Now we're gonna take our time and fold it in because we don't want our potato to be too mushy. I think I'm gonna need some more mayonnaise because I need everything to be in the mayonnaise. I need all my potato to be covered. I'm gonna add another 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. My sister, you would like to taste it? And tell me if you want some more mayonnaise on it. Maybe you need a little bit more mayonnaise. Tell me if the seasoning is enough. You want some more mayonnaise? Okay, get myself another spoon. So okay guys, I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1, 2. Now it's creamy. Now it's creamy. Guys, you can put dill in there, you can put cilantro, anything you need in there, guys. It's up to you. You could give it your own little tang as how you want it, guys. So guys, now I'm gonna put my eggs inside. Okay, clean up my bowl so it can look nice. So guys, this is my finished product of my potato salad. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you for watching. And guys, I want to shout out these people from Guyana who was watching. Big up Guyana people in the house. And CJ Kitchen, I would like to big you up guys. I always see you in the comment section. Always. She's always in our comment section. Big up CJ. And I hope your videos will be going out also like ours or like you guys. So guys, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. And tell me where you're watching from. Ciao. God love you. Bye.